Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're installing your TT Nature LBF151 smart bird feeder for the first time, taking a few minutes to set it up correctly will save you a lot of time later. Many installation problems happen because the camera is mounted before it's paired, the feeder isn't assembled completely, or it's placed where the Wi-Fi signal is weak. A proper installation helps the camera stay connected, keeps the feeder stable, and gives you a much better view of every bird that visits. In this video, I'll walk you through the installation steps you can follow to get everything ready from the very beginning. 1. Assemble the feeder body and secure all included parts. 2. Charge the camera, install it, and power it on. 3. Pair the camera with the mobile app using your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. 4. Mount the feeder on a tree, wall, or pole with a strong Wi-Fi signal. 5. Fill the seed container and confirm the live view and motion alerts are working.